Hello, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a look at Potensic's new release, the Atom SE Quadcopter. This drone stands out with its lightweight design and powerful features. The Atom SE weighs just 249 grams, meaning it requires no additional licenses or registration. Inside the box, you'll find the drone, a remote controller, a charging cable, and spare propellers. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to carry anywhere. The Potensic Atom SE boasts 4K video quality and offers up to 30 minutes of flight time. Equipped with GPS mode, it ensures stable and secure flying. Along with the 4K camera, it has wind resistance and a 10 km transmission range for seamless video capture. We took the drone out for a test flight and were impressed by its maneuverability. With Quick Shots mode, you can create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. The Potensic Atom SE has received positive reviews, especially for its affordability and feature set. Its lightweight build and ease of use make it an excellent choice for travelers and hobbyists alike. In conclusion, the Potensic Atom SE is an outstanding option in terms of value for money. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable drone, this model is definitely worth considering.